Hi besties, if you've seen this beautiful face for the first time, do well to hit the subscribe button, like and share your thoughts with me in the comment section. And for my returning subscribers, it's so great to have you guys back on the channel. Do well to hit the like button and share your thoughts with me in the comment section. So if you want to see how I achieve this beautiful look, then darlings, keep on watching.
I'm using my micellar Garnier skincare micellar water. So, my face is, so now we're done with the brows. Let's prime my face. I'm using the Zika oil-free primer. It works for me. I'm using the Zika Pro Matte High Definition Foundation. Like this has been my foundation. That's what I'm using. Kiss Beauty Fix Spray. Damp Beauty Blender. I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Creamy Beige for my concealer, and for my contour I'm using Espresso. So both of them. I do not like to put contour here because it's just too much for me. I like to powder contour on my nose most of the time. I know that I don't actually do a nose contour. I just like the powder contour. It's just more seamless for me. So for blush, I always use a lip palette for blush. I'm feeling a bit adventurous. I know that orange is mostly used for darker skin tone, but I feel like if I try it today, it might just turn out nice. So why not if not? So orange it is today. That looks like a lot. Yeesh, that's gonna be a lot. I did not plan to use a lot of blush today, but it's looking like the blush is from Vianki Makeup. So hopefully these don't blend out crazy because that's a lot of blush. But let's see what we can do. I'm going to put pink. I think I'm still going to put pink on it because this looks a little bit toned down for me and I don't like it. So I like to set with my face powder first. I use my tea tree powder in shade 2. I pick 1. Tea tree in shade 1, so let's see. Let's set underneath my eyes because I'm about to go crazy. Let's set my contour areas using the mid color, using this palette. So powder, my face powder actually. It's time to bake. I use the Blossom. I use Blossom. Actually, the Blossom powder. I use my powder puff. I use my powder puff to bake. Sometimes I like to rub it a bit on my palm. I don't want it to concentrate it to become minimized. To set my blush today, I'm just not following my usual routine. I'll be using this from, oh god, I can't see the name anyway, but I'll be using this pink shade because why not if not? Yeah, that looks way better. On the contour my nose, I go in with this shade here. I don't like to go with any darker shade because it might be it tends to be too harsh for my nose, so I always go with golden bronze. Yeah, golden bronze. I use Noir and Cappuccino to contour my face, but I always use golden bronze for my nose. Then, see, can you just see the little glitters? I like to brush it into my brows, just fluff it a bit, and nose contour is done. I'm going for a siren kind of look today, so I wouldn't be doing an eyeshadow. I would just be doing a simple eyeliner. So I have this black pencil, I don't know, and this eyeliner, I don't know the brand has wiped off. I've had it for a while. So, excuse me, I'm going to use this. I'm always looking here because I'm looking at the mirror, but I should be looking here. So let's enjoy any wing for your siren look. Just take out the bit. Then you're not drawing your liner all the way to your eyes, to the end of your eyes, just half. To line my waterline, this other one to line my waterline, to carve out this line to be out. I'll go with my eyeliner. I sometimes go over it. I think I'll go over it with my eyeliner for it to shine or pop out more. So I have to hold my breath so I don't make a mistake. Time to dust all of this off. I'm using my face powder again. I just to cover my jaw so it's not just so straight, just so droopy. Rather than straight. Time for some mascara. Rather, I'm using the Mega Advanced Mascara in 8X, whatever. I don't know what they're saying there. Well, you get what I mean. Time to set all of this and lock this in. palette, I'm going to get nude shade. I don't know which nude to go. I'm going to choose between this one and this one. This one is way too dark, so I think I will go with this one, the shade of nude. Somehow pinky, but we're gonna make it work. I'm feeling like I should put a little bit of white in the center. It gives me the perfect shade of nude. Now time for some gloss, using green tea lip gloss. Now for highlighter, I used the Miss Yahoo. Oh, please pardon me if I'm pronouncing it very. Then I put a bit on my nose. Yes, just enough. Nose and the bridge of my face. We've done this simple siren look. Like